I've generated over 7 figures in online sales from social media with what most would consider a relatively small audience. What I've learned is success on social media is not about posting more content. It's not about showing up in more places. It's not about spending hours a day glued to your phone. And if you're ready to make this year the year that you totally blow up on social media, grow your following, and start converting more leads and sales for your business, I'm going to break down the #1 social media strategy that you must be using this year and give you a step-by-step framework you can follow to put it in action right away. Let's get into it. My name is Maylea, and I give entrepreneurs the blueprint to grow your audience and automate your sales so that you can create an online business that works for you 24/7 and you don't have to. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. I put out brand new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training I release. If you're like me, you are all about getting the most bang for your buck when it comes to showing up on social media. I am all for creating content and sharing value and being consistent on social, but I need to know that the actions I'm taking will be directly responsible for putting dollars in the bank account for my business. And a big part of that is being able to zero in on the most effective strategy and go all in on it, because I don't have time to sit around creating so much content, posting and praying that some of it sticks and actually results in sales. If that's you as well, then here's some really interesting stats about the strategy I'm about to share. So in 2023, 82.5% of all internet traffic is expected to come from this strategy. 87% of online marketers say that this has helped increase their traffic, and 81% have reported that this strategy directly increases their online sales. So what is it? Video. On Facebook and Instagram, it's Reels. On TikToks, it's TikToks. On YouTube, it is long videos like this one that are educational and YouTube Shorts. But while the type of video varies from what platform you're using, the fact of the matter is video marketing is becoming universal. I'm going to share my step-by-step video marketing framework that you can use and implement in your videos right away. But first, I have something really cool that I know you're going to love. So despite the fact that 92% of entrepreneurs say that they know they need to be using video more often in their business, every day I still hear from people in my audience that say they're not using video as much as they want to be because they either don't have the time, they don't have the knowledge or know where to get started, or they have this fear of showing up with confidence on camera. I want to help you get over the hurdles that are keeping you from implementing video in your business. And that's why I've decided to team up with my friend Mark, a video marketing expert and my very first video marketing coach, to bring you the Fearless Video Challenge. This free 5-day challenge is going to give you a proven video system that helps you generate more traffic, more leads, and more sales, just like the big marketers that you follow online, even if you're brand new to video or haven't created results yet. You can get all the details and reserve your seat to join us for the challenge at globalfreedomcommunity.com/video. All right, so video marketing is the #1 strategy that you need to be using to increase your following, leads, and sales this year, which it is. And if you're going to join me for the free video challenge so that we can get over all those hurdles, like not having enough time or knowing where to start or having the confidence to get on camera, then the next thing that you need is a proven framework that you can apply to Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikToks, live videos, YouTube videos like this one, and even YouTube Shorts. The framework is amazing because you can adjust the length of it to any platform or video format that you want to use, and it works like a charm every single time. So whether your video is 30 seconds, 30 minutes, or more likely somewhere in between, this 7-step video framework can be used to generate more followers, more leads, and more sales from your video marketing. Step 1 is your video title. The job of your title is to grab your viewers' attention and get them to click. That's it. So on YouTube, it's pretty self-explanatory because it shows up in the search results on your channel, and the same goes for live videos. The title is what shows up in people's feed. On Reels and TikToks, the title is what someone will see when they go to your grid and they take a look at all the content that you have posted most recently. A good title is going to create curiosity. It's going to make it extremely clear what the video is about and how it can benefit the viewer. Step 2 is your hook, and this is the first sentence of your video, and its job is simple. You've got to hook your viewers' attention so that they not only start watching, but keep watching. Whether someone comes across your video while they are scrolling their feed, or they specifically search for a topic and find your video online, you have less than 3 seconds to get them to keep watching your video once they start. I like to think of hooks like ethical clickbait. When we think of clickbait, we think of sensational titles with no real meat on the back end, and you kind of feel scammed a little bit because you clicked and the article didn't really deliver. Your content still needs to have that clickbait hook, but your content is going to blow them away with value and leave your viewer feeling so glad that they found you. If you'd like to have me create a video on all the different hooks that I use, different hook ideas, maybe a good hook format, let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to add it to the list of YouTube episodes. So after the hook comes step 3, and this is your intro. This is where you really get to say your name, who you help, how you help them, as it relates to your niche and the content that you're sharing. So for my Laptop Lifestyle Academy students, this is where you get to share what we call your bumper sticker. And if you're not familiar with that term, think of this as a way to share one sentence of tagline about your business that creates that authority and shows your audience that you are worth listening to. Step 4 is your opening statement, or to take a line from one of my favorite copywriters, Ashlyn Carter, this is where you tell them what you're going to tell them. So in this video, for example, my opening statement was a place for me to share some statistics about video marketing so that you would see why it was important. The goal was to use that statement to keep your attention and help you see that what you're going to learn is worth your time. Your opening statement is a great place to share stats and share stories that make it clear why a topic is important and worth listening to. Step 5 is your talking points. This is the meat and potatoes of your video, the actual teaching portion. If your title says that you're going to share 5 easy ab exercises, this is where you give them the exercises. If it's about how to stock your gluten-free pantry, this is where you'll break down your process or framework for doing that. In other words, this is where you deliver the goods. Step 6 is your summary, or again, taking from Ashlyn Carter, you tell them what you're going to tell them, then you tell them, and now you get to tell them what you told them, okay? So you're repeating yourself. Think of this like the Cliff Notes summary of everything that you talked about that's going to bring it all together. Make sure you point out any top takeaways that you want your audience to walk away with so they know what specifically they need to remember. Finally, step 7, which I believe is the most important, is your call to action. Okay, this is where you tell your audience what to do next. Do you want them to download a free resource, buy a product, join a Facebook group, follow your account, subscribe to your account, opt into a free challenge? If you want more call to action ideas for your content, check out this video for some of my favorites. You can use this 7-step framework for literally any video content you create. If you're doing a reel or a TikTok, just keep the hook, intro, and opening statement to 1 sentence each before diving right into your talking points. If you're doing a longer form video, kind of like this one, those pieces and your talking points can be a little bit longer. And you can also choose to use a call to action earlier in the video like I did in this one so that people who don't watch all the way to the end can still hear it. For lives, follow the same format while interjecting some engagement with your audience, saying hi to people as they jump on, and responding to what people are saying in the comments. If you know that you need to be using video in your marketing this year, and you're ready to really commit to making video a part of your social media strategy with a clear action plan that not only gets views, but also creates leads and sales for your business, then I invite you again to join me for the Fearless Video Challenge. Inside this 5-day challenge, my friend Mark and I are going to be showing all the details that you need to know about how to confidently create high-converting videos for your business. Be sure to join us for the challenge at globalfreedomcommunity.com/video. All right, that's all I got for today. I've asked YouTube to recommend the best next video for you, which you can watch right here. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time I release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.